everyone. So today we're going to be trying out one of the palettes from Flower Nose. Now this one was sent to me for review from Flower Nose, so full disclosure there, but today we are going to be doing different looks with this palette. This one is a little bit more on the simplistic side, but I'm going to do a few different looks kind of showing you guys how you can get more of like a really light everyday kind of look, maybe up to a more bold and dramatic kind. So we're going to do a couple looks in one for this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this look. Overall, this one is just a really pretty simple, like soft glam look in my opinion. I really kind of like a little bit more of like a bold look in my opinion. So this one just turned out really pretty, and it was so easy to achieve with this palette. And if you would like to purchase any of these products from Flower Nose, I do have referral links and a discount code that you can get 5% off your order. If you do use my codes, I do earn a small commission from it, and I greatly appreciate it. So really quickly before I get into the full-on tutorial, I do want to share with you guys just a couple other products that I previously reviewed in my last Flower Nose PR haul video, but I did use a few more of those products today. So really quickly, I used the Hydrating Dewy Primer. I feel like this one's just such a really nice kind of lightweight moisturizing primer. Once again, I have also used the Music Box Loose Setting Powder. I just really love dusting it all over, and especially setting my under eyes. It just does a really great job at setting everything down but not looking too matte or flat. For my blush, once again, I am also using the Strawberry Rococo blush in the color Romantic Blossom. I just really love the really bright pink color. I feel like this color really suits me well, so that is the blush that I'm wearing today. And then I also followed that up with the pressed highlighter from the Little Angels collection. Once again, this one is the Eros Fable highlighter, another just really solid product. And last but not least, my lip color that I'm wearing a little bit of a NYX lip liner in the color Nude Pink. I lined my lips with this first, and then I applied the Midsummer Fairytales lip lacquer in the color Lullaby. Let's add just a little bit more just for fun. Flower Nose just has the best lip glosses all around, so this is what I am wearing on my lips right now. And now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow look that I created today using this palette. I really love the kind of smoky but also neutral kind of color story we've got going here. So let's get into it, and I will share with you guys how I created this look. So starting off, taking a little bit of the lighter of the two matte browns, I started by applying that to the crease area. Then using the darkest charcoal color with a fluffy brush, I picked some of that up and applied it to the outer portion of my lid and blended that inwards. I went back and forth with the dark browns to kind of blur out the edges a bit. And with a little bit of the cream matte shade, I took that on the very edges of the blend just to create a very seamless, blurred effect. Next, I applied a sticky tacky base, and then with the taupe shimmer color, I applied that all over the lid, and then I packed it on a little bit more with my finger. I finished it off with a little bit of that in the inner corner and the lower lash line. Alright, and then I finished off the look with some eyeliner, some mascara, and some lashes, and I am pretty happy with how this look turned out. I just really think this is kind of one of the more flattering type of color tones on me. I think it really works out with my skin tone and just my overall coloring, so this is definitely a go-to eyeshadow look for me on the days that I want to be a little bit more glammed up than just like a typical Tuesday, but I really love how this one turned out, and I feel like this is such a really nice palette if you are into these types of color tones. If this just is your vibe, I don't think you're going to be disappointed with this one. Alright guys, and if bold is not quite your thing and you're wanting like a little bit more of a softer look, let's move on to the next tutorial. So moving on to look number 2, this one's going to be a little bit more of a lighter, softer kind of look, but we are going to do a slight halo effect on the lid this time. I really love how this look turned out, and I think it's just perfect for if you're wanting something a little bit more understated but still really pretty. This is a really easy, simple look to get with this palette. So first, as always, I am priming my eyelids with an eyeshadow primer. Then taking the matte cream color, I start by applying that under the brow bone. Next, taking the lightest of the matte browns, I start applying that to the outer portion of my lid and the inner portion of my lid to give a soft, slight halo effect. Then taking the darker of the matte brown, I apply that only to the outer portion of my lid to deepen that up, making sure to leave an open space on the middle of my lid. Taking the same matte brown, I apply that to the lower lash line on the inner and outer portion, once again leaving the center open. Taking a tacky eyeshadow primer base, I apply that just to the center of my lid, and then taking the shimmer taupe color, I apply that to just the center of my lid, and then I apply it with my finger for a little bit more shine. And then finally, I bring bring the shimmer down to the middle of the lower lash line. Alright guys, and this is the final look with the lashes, the mascara, and the eyeliner on, and I really like how this one looks. It's just a really nice, simple, and understated kind of look that still has that really pretty look to it. And it was so easy to achieve, and if you're intimidated by these darker types of shades, you can definitely leave it out and create still a really pretty soft look. Once again, if you are interested in purchasing anything from Flower Nose and you would like to get a discount off your order, I do have a referral link and a discount code down below to get 5% off your order. So if there's anything you're interested in checking out, definitely check out my links, and I do earn a small commission from them. Alright guys, so let me know what Flower Nose palette do you want to see next. A really quick little teaser. We've got 2 palettes left to try out. So if you want to see the Moonlight Mermaids eyeshadow palette, definitely let me know. This one is called Moonlight Land. Or we have the Swan Ballet Collection eyeshadow palette in Black Swan. This one's definitely a bit more of a dramatic palette. This one's like a pop of color, bold kind of palette. So definitely let me know in the comments below which palette do you want to see me try out next. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.